Let's explore another way to assign values to a rectangular array. With the Array Initializer syntax, you can create an array and quickly assign initial values to it. This approach is better than the previous one, where you assigned a single value one at a time. I am talking about Array Indexer syntax. But I encourage you to use Array Initializer syntax whenever possible. These curly braces will be used to indicate the different dimensions. Let me explain. If you look at the initialization part, I mean this one, and with the help of image to visually understand the concept, you will see that these values are basically rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and within each row, you have these values as columns. Column 1, column 2. Hopefully you get my point. To make syntax shorter, you can omit this part. Now you need to explicitly define the data type on the declaration side. Otherwise, C# compiler will generate an error. No errors, everything is fine. You can also use these statements to initialize the rectangular array. All are valid statements. But the shorter and most widely used statement is this one.